Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how you can get the perfect twist out that usually lasts me for about a week. So I'm going to start from freshly washed hair. I just finished washing my hair. I actually just rinsed out all the deep conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my whole moisturizing process to moisturize my hair. So I'm going to start from the beginning on, again, freshly washed wet hair. I don't even know what my hair looks like. Alright, boom. So I just rinsed out all the deep conditioner, and I usually start from the back, so I'm just going to go ahead and start a section in the back. Okay, now that I have a section in the back, you don't have to make it perfect. Obviously, you just seen I just did it with my fingers, so it doesn't have to be a perfect section in the back. I'm gonna make about medium size twist. So I'm just gonna moisturize all my hair together. My hair is already wet. The leave-in conditioner that I will be using is the best leave-in conditioner ever. It's gonna be by Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, the Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. This is my favorite. This is my staple conditioner. I think that if you have hair like mine, that you 9 times out of 10 need this leave-in. This leave-in makes my hair feel like butter. I'm just gonna spritz my hair really quick, just with some water to make sure that my hair is damp, because I'm doing this on damp hair. And the method that I'm going to be using today is going to be the LCO method. My hair. The LCO method. Or is it backwards? LCO. The LCO method keeps my hair moisturized a lot longer than the LOC method. Like I said, I have low porosity hair, and it just works best for you girls. So this is the method I'm using today. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some leave-in conditioner and try to moisturize my whole entire section with it. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist this side up just to keep it out of the way. So the first cream that I'm going to be using in my hair is going to be the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Grow Restore Styling Lotion. I guess it's not really a cream, it's a styling lotion, but it's still thick enough that I call it a cream. I'm very generous when it comes to products. I don't try to overdo it, but 9 times out of 10 I do. And the reason why I overdo it is because my hair needs me to overdo it, okay? Because if I don't overdo it and I underdo it, I'm gonna be mad later. And I ain't trying to be mad, so. Alright, and once you're finished putting in your lotion or hair cream or even hair gel, I am taking some sweet almond oil. I think almond oil works best with my hair as far as oils go, but you can just test out all different oils and see which one works best for you. But almond oil is my favorite, or my hair's favorite, so I'm just going to use some almond oil to go ahead and seal in any moisture that I provide my hair with. And I'm also generous with oil too. I'd rather overdo it than underdo it. And then once I put in the oil in my hair, I'm going to go ahead and just take my Zenman brush and make sure that I detangle my hair very thoroughly, because if you don't detangle your hair before you twist it up, then good luck. I'm just going to go ahead and split this up into 2. And I'm just going to twist it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and I will be back to just show you. Alright, so when you get to the front section of your hair, like I was saying when my camera wasn't on, when you get to the front of your hair, any twist that I do around the front of my head, I always twist towards my face. If I twist this way, it leaves like a gap. Like this being pulled this way, it leaves like a gap. So now my hair is being pulled this way. When I take my curls out, when I take my twist out, my hair is going to still be pulled this way even with my twist being out, and it leaves like a gap. So if you ever did a twist out, you probably know what I'm talking about. If you don't, then I just say, you know, learn from experience and make sure you twist very tight. Not tight where you're pulling your edges out, girl, cause. So I want my hair to be part in the middle, so I have my hair already parted. It's not an even part, but right now would be the perfect time to go ahead and part your hair the way you want your hair to lay, because the way you want your hair to lay is the way you want to twist your hair, because if your hair isn't twisted the way you want it to lay, then okay, so my camera died in the middle of me finishing my hair, but I just finished doing all of the twists. Anyway, so I'm about to go ahead and get my hair ready and set for bed, and I do want to point out that I will be wearing these twists in my hair for the next 2 days, just because I want to make sure that my twists are 100% dry and I'm air drying. So usually just one day is not enough, is not long enough for me, or overnight isn't long enough for me, because again, I have low porosity hair, and if I wake up in the morning, my hair is still going to be wet. So I'll be back when I'm ready to take these out. I will be sleeping on these for the next few days, and then when I'm ready to take them out, I'll let you guys see what it looks like. Alright, so it's been 2 days since I moisturized my hair and all that jazz, and I put my hair up. This is not how I usually do my buns or my turbans, scars, whatever you want to call it. I usually put my hair up in a ponytail first and make it tighter, but I just threw it up so you guys can see how I've been wearing my hair for the last couple of days. So now I'm about to take it down. Oh my gosh, you guys, my hair is gonna look crazy, girl. This is what my twists are looking like now. This is what they look like. They feel pretty dry. I don't usually use styling lotion to do my twist outs, but they feel dry as in they're ready for it to come out, but moisturized, they feel a little on the dry side. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take some oil. I'm actually what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put all my hair or all my twists up just to make it easier on me as I'm taking them down. I'm just gonna throw that in a bun, and I'm gonna take some oil. This is just some, the brand is, I'm sorry you guys can't see, but the brand is Proud African Formula. This is like a lavender oil. And I'm just gonna go ahead and massage the oil into my twist, making sure that I can give my hair a nice sheen as I take it down, or before I take it down. Okay, so the key to this, you guys, I need like a really big mirror actually. I'm probably gonna have to go get one. Because the key to this is the less that you pull apart, the longer your twist out stays intact. Follow me now. Follow me. And if you're anything like any girl with curly hair, first day hair is probably not the best hair. Every hair after first day hair, because it just, you know, gets worn and it looks a lot better. So bear with me, girls. We got this. We got this. So I'm going to take apart my twist in areas where they look like they want to come apart on their own, and I'm just gonna pull it apart once. So if it's chunky, I don't really care. I'm just gonna pull my twist apart once. So what I do is I pull my hair out, and wherever the twists separate on its own is where I'm gonna pull it at. And I'm just gonna pull it once. The main thing that thing that I think is most important is that when you're pulling it apart, you want your ends at least to stay intact. You don't want your ends to get really fuzzy, because once your ends get fuzzy and they all come apart, then the rest of your hair comes apart and it just looks fuzzy in that area. As you can see, hopefully you can see my end is still intact. It's still nice looking. It's not super fuzzy. Like these fuzzy ends, like these, if it comes apart like this, trust me, this right here is gonna be a poofy area. I don't care for poof. If you don't care for poof, then good. But if you care for poof, then try not to let the ends come apart. Camera just cut off because for some reason my camera only runs for 20 minutes at a time. So once 20 minutes goes up, it cuts off and I have to restart it. So forgive me if this video is a little choppy. Anyways, so I took out all the twists. I took out all the twists to my likings. So now all that I have to do from here would be pick it out. Okay, look, my bad. I forgot to come back and show y'all second and third day hair, but we on fourth day hair now, and I really wanted to show y'all before it got old and I had to wash it. So this is what my hair is looking like. I have a hat on. Let me know in the comments if any other curly girls does this, but I wear hats to shape my hair if like the part that I made in the middle is looking crazy. Do y'all do that or no? But let me take the hat off so y'all can see what's really good with these curls, girl. Yeah, so my hair is probably the most natural it looks. Like people think this is naturally my hair, but it's not. But you can see that the curls, the definition still held up. It's just frizzy from like humidity and stuff, but we still going strong, and it's gonna last me for the rest of the week. So y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.